Welcome to my channel Crafty World. I have taken a shoe box and I have wrapped it nicely with this red color sheet, and now I will place some of the gift items. First one is the Dio. Second one is my brother's illustration. Next one is Rakhi. Then his photograph. Now I am having one bookmark. Then an envelope. It's a handmade envelope, and I have written something here in this. One more thing, it's this one, this greeting card. It's a handmade greeting card. Now I will put some shredded paper in it to make it decorative. Papers for decorating it. It's complete now. We will close this box, and now we will decorate ear. Flower. So I have already made these flowers, and now I am putting hot glue gun and sticking them up. Now I am applying hot glue gun and pasting these leaves on the flower. As you all can see, the flower is complete, and my gift hamper is ready.